How to fix 0x80073d31 error code in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing this error code when trying to install Netflix or Prime Video from Microsoft Store or trying to run the video website on the Microsoft Edge browser. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store app. If you are unable to install the apps from Microsoft Store, then uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. For this, click on Search, type PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as Administrator, then go to the video description to find some commands. Copy the first line of command from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, copy the second line of command, paste into the command prompt. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the Netflix application or Prime Video application. You can also check by resetting the Microsoft Store apps. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on Apps, Installed Apps. In the search box, type Store. Here Store is not given, so go to System Components. Here you will find Microsoft Store. Click on three dots, select Advanced Options, click on Terminate. This will end task the process of Microsoft Store. Then click on Repair. Then click on Reset. Again click on Reset. See if the issue is fixed and you can install Netflix and Prime Video from a store. If the issue still persists, you will have to run SFC and DISM command line tools. There is no other way except this. Click on Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator. Yes. Go to the video description to find these commands. Copy the first line, which will check system files and repair them. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, copy this command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. The issue should be fixed now. In any case, if the issue still persists, then click on the link located on the top right corner of the screen and go to In Place Upgrade video. Follow the step from that video. After doing In Place Upgrade, the issue should be certainly fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.